Hi everybody, welcome to Ash & Co Workshops. I just wanted to show you one of our essential maker toolkits. This is what is in one of our toolkits. So, okay, put that to one side, we open it up. Now, Ash & Co Workshops, we think kids should use real tools, and that's exactly what these are. Good quality tools from a well-known manufacturer, Draper. We've got their red line range here, and you get in the kit one of these stubby hammers here. These hammers are absolutely brilliant. They've got a claw on the back which you can use to pull nails out with. They've also got a little magnet on the top, and you can put a nail in there and then tap it to get it started, and then it comes away from the magnet and then you hit it with the top of the hammer head. These are great for kids, they're lightweight, they can hammer them around without hitting themselves in the face and things like that. Should wear safety specs when you're using one of these, okay? That's that. Okay, second on the list is one of these. This is a set of 160mm long nose pliers from Draper. Now these are brilliant for like holding things, for pushing things into little blocks like wires and stuff on our kits. They also have in here, this section here, a little set of cutters, wire cutters, and you can put a bit of wire in there and squeeze it and it will cut them. Again, nice and small for small fingers, excellent for kids. We've also included one of these. This is a sanding block. It's just a piece of cork, simple as that. You can wrap a piece of sandpaper around that and use it to sand something. It makes it a lot easier to hold onto. So we included one of those. And finally, a screwdriver. This is a PZ2 end, which is the most standard screw that we get in the UK. So that's on this end. And look at this. Ta-da! It comes out like this and you slide it back in, and it is a flathead screwdriver on this end. So flathead screwdriver and a crosshead screwdriver all in one. That's it. And a box which you could use as a house for a character or something like that, whatever you like. So that's everything that's included in our essential maker kit. This is really everything you need to get started, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.